Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, it's about GCash. So, ayan, lumalabas ba to sa inyo? Our system detected that the device you are using is not secure. For your protection, this app will now be closed. Ayan, para maiwasan natin to sa GCash at lalo na kapag mabilisan yung transaction natin sa GCash. Ayan, i-remove lang natin to. Okay, may gawin lang po tayo ngayon. Pumunta lang po sa settings ng ating phone. Then, scroll down mo lang. Yan, dito sa sa baba. Then, makita mo po yung developer options. I-tap mo yan. And then, i-turn off mo lang po. Ayan, turn off na siya. And, try mo nang puntahan yung GCash mo kung lumabas pa ba yung our system detected. Yun lang. Thank you for watching. And, by the way guys, kung hindi mo pala nakita yung developer options, comment ka lang dyan sa baba and para matulungan po kita. Yun lang again. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
I feel like I'm losing my mind.